Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube video about It's Hard to Be Poor, and It's Even Harder to Be Alone. In today's world, an increasing number of people are struggling with poverty and social isolation. Our video aims to shed light on the issue and provide some insights and strategies to cope with it. This video is targeted to all our visitors who may be going through a difficult time. As we all know, poverty can be defined as a lack of material resources such as money, food, or clothing. However, it also encompasses a lack of access to education, healthcare, and other basic necessities of life. Poverty can be caused by many factors, including unemployment, low wages, lack of affordable housing, and discrimination. Being poor not only means a lack of resources, but it also leads to social isolation. Social isolation can be defined as the lack of meaningful social relationships and interactions. It can be caused by various factors, including physical disabilities, mental health issues, language barriers, and living alone. When you combine poverty and social isolation, the situation becomes even more challenging. For example, if you are poor, you may not have the resources to participate in social activities or events, which can lead to social isolation. If you are socially isolated, it may be harder to find a job or access resources that can help you improve your financial situation. So, what can you do if you are dealing with poverty and social isolation? 1. Connect with other people. One of the best ways to overcome social isolation is to connect with other people. This can be done by joining social groups, attending community events, or volunteering. By connecting with other people, you can build meaningful relationships and find support during difficult times. 2. Seek professional help. If you are struggling with poverty or social isolation, it's essential to seek professional help. There are many organizations and agencies that can provide you with assistance, including financial support, counseling, and job training. 3. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential when dealing with poverty and social isolation. Make sure to eat healthy, get enough sleep, and exercise regularly. Engage in activities that bring you joy, such as reading, painting, or listening to music. Taking care of yourself will help you stay strong and resilient during challenging times. Poverty and social isolation are significant issues that affect many people worldwide. However, by connecting with others, seeking professional help, and practicing self-care, you can overcome these challenges. We hope that this video has provided you with some insights and strategies to cope with poverty and social isolation. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to share your thoughts and comments below.